Welcome to Spanish Mnemonics. In this video, we're going to look at ER verb endings for they. Let's start with the verb comer. They will eat. But in the future, there are only plus points. So no cutting off at the end of the verb, only adding.
Adding on an an.
Comerán. Ellos comerán.
To help you remember, they will be with acute an. Because the A is acute.
Comerán.
beber,
They will drink. In the future, there are only plus points. So no cutting off at the end of the verb, only adding.
Adding on an an.
Beberán. Ellos beberán. Beberán.
sorprender,
They will surprise. No cutting off at the end of the verb, only adding.
Adding on an an.
Sorprenderán. Ellos sorprenderán.
They will be with acute an.
Sorprenderán.
That's it for now. Come back for more ER verbs soon. Do subscribe to my channel and hit a like if you've enjoyed this video.